To replace the batteries of this Honeywell thermostat, hold the thermostat like this, press down with your fingers, and pull up with your thumb. A screwdriver can help you to pry out the old batteries. This thermostat takes 2 AA batteries. To put the thermostat back, first connect the top part of the thermostat, then press down on the bottom.